Hello everyone. In this video, I would explain how you can automate your quotes and orders using OnPrintShop. The objective of this video is to help printers reduce order turnaround time and the confirmation times, which means you can offer quick estimation and simplify order processing. One of the major reason print buyer selects print service provider is faster turnaround time, where they need order delivered within 2 to 3 working days. And research indicates that if you're able to provide quotations to the customer within 5 minutes versus 31 minutes, then there are chances of winning those orders by 21 times. And if you see in the traditional print order management, it takes average 14 to 17 emails to require to confirm an order. And human touch cost often reaches up to $160 to $320 because there are many humans and labor required to process orders in traditional print order management. So in this video, I would showcase a case study of one of our customer who is a commercial printer in USA, serving over 30 years, and how we help them reduce their human dependency by 80% and how they achieved 130% increase in online orders. So first of all, we have helped them to create their online product catalog. So all the 80% of their key products which were available as standard, they are able to set up in their online storefront. So let me show you one of our sample store where this is a sample store where we have created variety of products, starting from commercial printing to wide format, promotional apparels, digital books, photo calendar, photo books, color copies, promotional products, keeps. You're able to set up variety of products and able to offer an instant estimate to the customers. In OnPrintShop, there are multiple price methods are available. There is a rule-based pricing. You're able to set variety of products like a business card product, which is a fixed size and fixed quantity is offered in the set. Multiple options and customers are able to get an estimate instantly. Similarly, this is an example of a flyer and brochures where multiple sizes are available, quantities are fixed. You are offering variety of folds, paper type, and customers are able to get an estimate. It also supports wide format where you're offering multiple sizes of fixed wide format products where quantities are not fixed, so customers are able to input the quantity they like and they're able to get a cost. And it also supports custom size print estimation in the wide format where customers are able to put the custom height and width they need and the quantities they need, and price calculator would give them an instant estimate for the custom size and the custom quantity. Similarly, if you're offering the books, the short run digital books, color copies you're able to set, where this is an example of a ring bound books where customers are able to select the quantity, number of pages they need, paper type, and they're able to see the cost. This is a color copies where how many pages I need color copies for, how many sets I need, and I'm able to see an instant estimate. This is an example of a perfect bound books where quantities are fixed but number of pages that I need, for example 25 perfect bound books total with 20 pages, and system sends actual estimate 8438 from a dynamic price calculator. It also supports products like photo calendar and photo book. So this is how they're able to set up variety of their products into a price calculator, and their customers are able to get an instant estimate just visiting their online store. Many of the times the email and phone requesting an estimate, their internal team and their customer service reps are also able to log in their storefront, able to select the options which customers are requiring, and they're able to give them an estimate instantly. For example, if somebody calls them up, they're able to go to this price calculator, select an options, and they're able to put this email address of a customer and then send this quotation directly in the customer's email. So this is how customer will get an instant email with the price estimate. So they've reduced their 80% of standard catalog price estimation using this price calculator. Now in this price calculator, I would like to showcase you can set variety of products in a different way, fixed sizes, custom sizes, all the additional options. And here in the price calculator, this is a visual price calculator. So per options, you're able to add variety of images. So customers are able to see each and every options, and they're able to see an options with the images. So they're also able to get an idea of variety of options. What do you mean by matte and glossy? Plus, this is an advanced rule-based price calculator. So you can hide or display certain options based on the selection. So when customers are selecting, for example, 2 into 3.5 business card, 2000 quantity, and these are the options, I'm able to see a cost. But when I select sides only front, spot UV option is going, as well as I'm not getting an option to select round corner because when customer is selecting only front, you're not offering a specific type of lamination in corner. If I select maybe higher quantity, for example, I'm selecting 10,000 quantity, same day turnaround is disappearing because you're not offering same day turnaround when customer is selecting 10,000 or higher quantity. So this way you are able to set up variety of products and build up advanced rules. So depending on your print capabilities and offerings, you are able to hide or display specific options. So customer would not be able to do the wrong selections and you would get an odd order. So this is how Best Printing USA been able to set up their variety of commercial printing, wide format products and book products. And they have now 20% of their custom products we have also automated via request a quote. So let me explain how the quotes are managed online. So many of the customers who require a custom quotes are able to request a quote from the storefront itself, where they're able to select if they need a quotation for any existing item available in the product catalog, but they need some other options which is not available in the calculator, or if they need something custom, they're also able to put a custom quote. So maybe I need custom folder for exhibition, and I need a custom size which is not available in the price calculator. So I need the quotation for 100 because I am going into a specific exhibition and I need these folders to be created. So I am requiring a quote for multiple items. I'm able to select the sizes, the paper type, sides and pages, and I can submit this quotation. If I want to add any other item in the quotations, I'm also able to add. So this how customers are able to request a custom quotations, and the communication process is automated because customers are able to submit a quotation directly from the store. Now as a customer, I would be able to see in the customer my account the quotations which I have placed, where this is a recent quotation we have placed for custom folder where input from printer is pending. So now let me explain how from the backend the quotes are managed and how even you can share an estimation and quotations in the backend. This is a printer's backend area, the admin panel. From here, printers are able to see daily orders and daily quote request. So recently we have placed the quotation request from an online. So let me explain how this quotation can be automated. So here it says there is a new quotation and quotation is pending. So if we click edit, system would show you what customer have requested. Customer have requested custom folder size A4, paper stock is normal, and they need quotation for 100 and 200 quantity. So as a printer, I'm able to put up the cost for 100, what is the cost, for 200, what is the cost, how many days you would need to process this jobs. You're also able to put the production days. And if you have any SKU, because it is a custom folder, you are also able to update. And then once you save, this will send an email to the customer saying the quotation price you have updated to them, and they're able to process that quotation if they would like to. So again, in the storefront as a customer, let me show you the process where now it says the pricing is updated. So this is the customer end. If I click on view details, customer is able to see the cost is given for 100 is $50 and for 200 is $85. So customer is able to submit a quote. Printer is able to share an estimate from the backend. The communication process has been automated. Normally it has to be done via emails. The system allowing you to automate this process. So now customer would be able to convert this quotation into an online order automatically. So where they are selecting that I need maybe 200 of this, $85 sounds good for me, and I have a file I can also upload, and I can approve this quote and convert into an order. So and when I say approve an order, it would ask me if you have a final print ready file, or I would upload an artwork later. So I just want to confirm this order with the quotation, and I would upload an artwork later. So I'm also able to convert all my custom quotation into an auto order. So this way they are able to process their online estimation easily, and they're also able to convert their custom quotations. So customers are able to go on their own, submit a quote, and able to convert their custom quotation into an order. So now this is an order generated from the custom quote. So starting from custom quote requested by the customer, from the backend, printer has updated the price, and this is how custom quote is converted into an order. And the other standard items which are like available into a standard catalog, where customers are able to estimate on their own into a next step. If they have a print ready file, they're able to upload a file, or also use online designer studio to design the file. So this is how they automated that 70% people requesting a quote, because their 80% products are available into a dynamic price calculator. Customers are able to get an estimate instantly. They're able to process an orders on their own by uploading a file or designing online. And whatever custom code they need, they're able to process through this. So this is how Best Pending US have been able to achieve 80% less human dependency in order management. Now this is a backend area where they're able to see all the orders placed by customers directly in their online store, and they're also able to see all the requested quotes via customer from a storefront, and they're able to manage them via centralized admin panel. Now many of the times they are getting a quotation request directly from the customers via email and phone, or for the walk-in customers, they are also able to add a custom code directly from the backend. So they already have all the customer registered, and even if this is a new customer, they're also able to make a new customer from the backend. And on behalf of customer, they're also able to send them a quotation. So customer is able to track that quotation from their my account, and they're able to convert that quotation into an online order. Similarly, many of the times they get a request of an order as well from email and phone, because many of the time customer do not have an access to the storefront. So their team is also able to add those orders on the back end via add new order. So any confirm orders they would like to log into the system, they have a facility of adding it from the back end. And if that customer is new, they're also able to create a new customer. And this is how every quotations and every orders they have received, they're able to manage via OnPrintShop, and they have achieved 70% reduction in customer asking quotes. And that is how they're able to achieve results like 80% less human density for order management. And they've also increased their online orders and online sales by 130%. And in OnPrintShop backend, they're also able to get all the reports and analytics in terms of what is the total sales, what are the key customers, what is the product wise revenue. So they're also able to identify the critical trends, and they're able to grow their business. So this is a quick overview of OnPrintShop, how you can automate your quotes and orders. Hope you liked it. If you need any more information, please contact us at www.onprintshop.com. We would be more than happy to give you a detailed demo of our system.